If you own a home, you probably got one of these in the mail recently and know it's not a bill, but it is important to look over. So let's talk about it. So let's go through this together. First thing you want to check is that your name and address are correct. But next thing you want to look at is your principal residence exemption. If you live in this home as your primary residence, you live there full time, this number should say 100%. In my case, this is a rental property, so mine does say 0, but check to make sure that that is correct. Okay, next thing you can look at is your taxable and assessed value. So here's your prior year amount and your current year amount. Your assessed value is equal to 50% of the market value of your property. The taxable value is the product of the previous year's taxable value increased by the consumer's price index, which is this number down here. And that's how they come up with that number. The taxable value can never be higher than the assessed value. So let's see. We're good. Okay, the main thing you probably want to know is, what does this notice mean in your tax dollars? So this section right here, this says the change in taxable value will increase or decrease your bill for the 2026 year by approximately $101. Is it possible there could be discrepancies with your assessment? Sure. For most common is the percentage, your principal residency. And then if you say you just bought your home and your taxes jumped and maybe you disagree with your assessed value that the assessing department has assigned to it, you can bring it to their attention with an appeal. So be very careful to pay attention to this section down here, because there are set dates for appeals. The March Board of Review only meets a few days during the month of March. And if you miss it, you miss it. And you have to wait till the following year to make any of these changes. This is the big one right here too, because if you miss that and you have to carry this over at 0% the next year, it could be it will be a very big difference in your taxes. So make sure to read down here when they will be doing appeal meetings and when you have to submit your appeal letter by. If you have any questions, always you can contact your city's assessor department, or you can give me a call. I'd be happy to help.